1945 in Sant'Angelo in Fontana, Italy. His parents took his name from St. Nicholas of Myra, at whose shrine they prayed to have a child. Nicholas became a monk in 18, and 7 years later he was ordained priest. He gained a reputation as a preacher and as a confessor. Pray for us. Accompanying the image of San Nicolas de Tolentino is the esposas. Monica, Africa, in 331. She was given in marriage to a pagan named Patricius, in whom she had 3 children. Patricius was reported to have a violent temper and was annoyed at Monica's life of prayer, charity, and piety. Through her prayer, the image of Santa Monica is each Catholic Friar de Martiones OSA, Parish Organization of the Immaculate Conception Parish,